Look at this big ass boat.
You're a big ass boat.
Also that. I have a big ass. Mount Helmut. That's where we parked for the night. So I found us another free spot. This is not our view, but see that mountain there? Well, mountain, hill. That's That's Mount Helmut. That's the highest That's the highest point on Funen. And our camp is right behind there on the parking. So
and walking all the way around that.
Yeah, we're gonna walk around. So yeah, nice spot.
Someone's camping there on that little tiny
right there.
beach.
There's loads of people camping here. We've
all the way
seen a
around.
shitload. We've seen a whole lot of people camping
You
around
can't
it.
say shitload.
I just did. Tomorrow we're gonna climb the hill?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Not today.
Not today, tomorrow morning.
Little huntress. Doesn't look like much,
Nah,
but believe me, if you're here,
it's not that much. Easy.
yeah,
It's a mound.
I'll film it tomorrow. We'll see how easy it is. So we made it.
Yay.
I'm out of breath.
It's the highest point in Odense.
Yeah, it's 66 meters above sea level and the hill is 35 meters high, which doesn't sound very high, but I'll try to show you the path up here. It's ridiculous. This probably won't show up, but this is a very steep hill. This is the one we climbed up. I'm not sure if you can see that. I let Josie pull me up because I'm a wimp. Okay, that's the lake that we walked around yesterday. It's a nice view. And people camped overnight because we see the cars are still there. There were a few campers as well, of course. So yeah, don't know where Odense is. Think there.
It's one of the directions.
One of them. It's not far away.
The crane over there by the port, it says on that sign that it's 15 kilometres away.
Okay.
And there's the name of that place on there, so if you can figure out what that is.
So
Relation
that,
to
the
Odense.
crane, oh that's there.
Yeah, so that's that one. You can see.
Lindeborg. Yeah, okay. And that's that crane, but you can't see that. I'll zoom in.
Zoomy.
There it is.
There you go, that one.
Okay.
Lindeborg.
For that, and that's 15 kilometers away.
And here there's another one. 32 kilometres away. Is that the bridge we come over when we come onto the island?
Yes, that must be the...
That's the one we filmed a million times. That's the one,
That's
right?
the bridge we came over. Then Odense should be there somewhere.
Yeah, it's up there somewhere.
I have no idea where. Okay, so on the road we encountered this. Hi horses!
It's narrow.
It is narrow.
We're here.
Yes.
We have our early warning system for knowing when we arrive somewhere, called the Josie.
The Josie.
It's not squeaking as much. Is this one?
Somewhere here. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, that's the spots. zie. Almost good. Bijna. Even wachten.
Oh, the campers are over there then.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hopefully there's a spot.
Looks a bit busy.
You think?
Maybe the one right in the middle there.
Yeah, could be. Let's see. Bijna. That's a nice view.
Very nice view.
Walked up the stairs and you get a nice overview of the camper place. There's our camper. And a bit of the views. Lovely. And there's Trev.
Hello.
And some bird that makes a really weird noise. Big field. She's having a little cook down. That's the harbour we're staying this week.
Yeah, we like our harbours.
Yeah, it's Lundeborg. Nice place.
Tongue twister names around here.
Yeah. 1200 for 6 days, so 200 a night.
Not euros, that's Danish
No, that's
crowns.
Danish crowns. It's basically on the other side of Funen, so opposite of Bolognese, on the other end of the island. Josie's like a little kid. Every wall she sees, she has to jump off and walk on it. She has to be bigger.
Like kids do that, right?
Yeah, they do. But she also sometimes jumps over. Now she sees the water. She's like, okay, that's okay. But sometimes she just jumps over out of nothing. So we need to keep an eye on that one. Water is not that bad, but we also had cliffs.
Yeah.
And she does the same. Josie is enjoying the sun. Remember when we were in Ketaminde and we saw the bridge? Well, now we see the bridge from the other side. Look at this big ass boat. I wanted to say. I'm gonna say it. Look at this big ass boat.
You're a big ass boat.
Yeah, also that. I have a big ass. But look, how cool is that?
As people are used to this, probably people filming,
Must
taking
be.
pictures. It's a beautiful boat.
Yeah.
The one behind it is too.
Seriously.
One is German.
Yeah, and the other one is Danish. So big boats can't moor up here.
Although
Just-
he's got a Danish flag too.
Yeah. And in the back there, you can't see it now because there's people walking, but somewhere there is the bridge. Oh, there it is. You can see it.
The bridge is too far.
There's a bridge too far. So I found 2 places to walk the dog, so at least that's what it said. There was nothing to be found, just houses, but just walk back to the beach. The beach is always a good place to be. Misty in the sand. Never gives up. Obsessed with sand. Happy girls. And a rebel. And she sees the bird. When she's not a good swimmer like her sister. So that's what can happen. There's some more birds there, Josie. There's the birds. And the bridge in the background.